All right, well, again, when we measure an angle, we're measuring how much one line rotates away from another line. And so we're counting little markings that we make on a circle to do that. And if we make equally spaced markings all the way around a circle, we call those degrees. And we have 360 equally spaced markings around the circle. And so when this line rotates to the other line, the number of degrees we're counting are the number of equally spaced pieces around the circle. That's what we're counting. So if this was 48 degrees, that's what we did. As we go rotate to the other line, we're going around a circle. We count 48 of these little equally spaced markings. So the outer part of a circle is really what we're using to measure degrees. Now, when we measure perimeter, we're only interested in measuring the outside of a shape, not the inside, because it's the distance like a fence around a shape. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. And that's because you take your ruler, measure that side, measure that side, measure that side, and measure that side, and then you add up all the numbers. We would not count the diagonal 5 because it's not on the outside of a shape. And that's what the word perimeter means. Perimeter. Peri, like a periscope. Right? So submarine sticks the periscope up and then looks around, goes around, looks around the outside of the submarine. Peri. Meter, to measure. So this word literally means measuring the outside. That's what that word literally means. Okay? Now, if we are measuring area, what we're measuring is how many 1 by 1 unit squares are inside the shape, just like the tiles on a floor. And so usually we have rows and columns. So we can say there's 3 by 7. And so how many 1 by 1 squares are contained in this rectangle? 3 times 7. There's 21 square units.